Do you know? Many students get wrong answers in math not because they don't know sums, but because they don't follow the correct order. Hello students, welcome to Maths with Konika ma'am. Today we are going to learn arithmetic expressions part 4 in a very easy and interesting way. So stay focused till the end because today's topic will help you solve maths faster and more accurately. Let's begin. What is arithmetic expression? Okay, arithmetic expression is a mathematical statement made using numbers and operation sign. Okay, it includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, but it does not contain an equal sign. Okay, सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोले तो नंबर्स और सिंबल्स को यूज करके एक्सप्रेशन बनाया जाता है. ओके, एग्जांपल सर 25 plus 8, this is an example. 35 plus 8 cross 4 minus 19, this is also an example. This is a long example. Okay, वेरी इजी टॉपिक है, बस कंसेप्ट समझना है. Terms and arithmetic expression. Let us understand terms. What is terms? Okay, a term is a part of an expression separated by plus or minus sign. Here 24 plus 9, so terms are 24 is a terms, 9 is a terms. Okay, और अगर एक्सप्रेशन थोड़ा बड़ा हो तब भी सेम रूल लगेगा. Here terms are 35, 8 multiplication 4 is one term. Okay, minus 9 is another term. Remember one important point, multiplication and division do not separate terms. Okay, a point students अक्सर भूल जाते हैं. Now let us understand the golden rule called Badmash rule. Whenever we solve arithmetic expressions, we follow this order. B means brackets, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व होगा, then division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. ऑफ का मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही होता है. सेम प्रायोरिटी हो तो लेफ्ट टू राइट सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर बदमाश फॉलो किया आंसर कभी रंग नहीं होगा, कभी भी. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व सम एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल्स 25 minus 4 multiply by 3. फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. 4 क्रॉस 3, 4 3s are 12. Then 25 minus 12, which is equal to 13. Next example, 35 plus 8 multiplication by 4 minus 19. First multiply 8 into 4, which is equal to 32. Then 35 plus 32 minus 19. 35 plus 32, which is also equal to 67, minus 19, we got 48. देखा, स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व करने से आंसर इजी हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ एग्जांपल 3. 53 multiplication by 4 plus 15 minus 6 multiplication by 7. 53 multiplication by 4, which is equal to 212, 6 multiplication by 7, which is also equal to 42. Now 212 plus 15 minus 42. 212 plus 15 लेफ्ट टू राइट करेंगे यहाँ पे. 212 plus 15 which is also equal to 227 minus 42 which is 185. Important points and summary. Arithmetic expressions contains number and operations. They do not contain equal sign. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Use BODMAS to solve expressions. Brackets first, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Final tips क्या है? Correct order means correct answer. Okay. So today we learned what is arithmetic expression, what are terms, how to solve using BODMAS rule and some examples. बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, मैथ्स इजी लगने लगेगा. कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया तो सम ऑटोमेटिक सॉल्व होंगे. Thank you for your attention. I hope today's lesson helped you understand arithmetic expressions clearly. If you enjoyed this class, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Maths with Konika Ma'am. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep shining. See you in the next class with another interesting math topic. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Tata.